So yeah, there's a melting pot aspect to New York also, right?
Yeah, a melting pot aspect to LA. There's
Yeah.
glitz, glamour, underbelly, immigrants, enormous wealth in all of them. I think those are what I think are really fun for not even just for GTA, but for anything where you want a kind of slice of life, almost like a sort of psychotic version of a Dickens book. This big slice of life. He did it with London. This psychotic version of these, big, all kinds of characters in a melting pot. Any of these global cities work well for that.
Do you know if that was ever a consideration to go elsewhere to like a London?
We made a little thing in London 26 years ago, GTA London, for the top down for the PS1. That was pretty cute and fun as the first mission pack ever for PlayStation 1. I think for a full GTA game, we always decided it was, there was so much Americana inherent in the IP, it would be really hard to make it work in London or anywhere else. You needed guns, you needed these larger than life characters. It just felt like the game was so much about America, possibly from an outsider's perspective, but that was so much about what the thing was that it wouldn't really have worked in the same way elsewhere.